The ranch owner, Arthur Vance, returns to his Nevada property after spending several months managing his cattle business out of state. He parks his silver pickup truck and notices new fencing stretching across his land. The ranch owner notices an unfamiliar HOA sign standing beside his private ranch road. The sign reads, "Blue Haven Ridge, HOA, authorized personnel only," leaving Arthur completely stunned as he steps out of his truck. He pulls out his original land deed and property map from his truck and compares them with the newly fenced areas. Every marker confirms that the land legally belongs to him without a single doubt under Nevada law. Climbing the small hill, Arthur notices a massive luxury mansion sitting directly on his private land. Construction appears complete, and several expensive luxury SUVs are parked right outside along the paved driveway. Construction workers inform him that the mansion belongs to HOA President Montgomery Cross and has been occupied for nearly 2 years. They simply assume the land was owned by the HOA during the entire build. Montgomery Cross arrives in a luxury SUV and confidently claims that the property belongs to Blue Haven Ridge HOA. He dismisses Arthur's concerns without even looking at the certified legal land documents brought out. Arthur contacts his attorney immediately and schedules a professional land survey. He refuses to argue heatedly on site and chooses to resolve the entire matter through proper, established legal channels instead. Licensed surveyors arrive at the property and begin placing official survey markers around the acreage. Their findings quickly confirm the mansion is built entirely on Arthur's recorded private ranch land parcel. Arthur files a formal lawsuit seeking full restoration of his property rights. The legal battle between him and the HOA officially begins. While the HOA's legal team receives the certified survey and deed, they realize the mansion was built on privately owned ranch land. Yet Montgomery Cross remains arrogant and refuses to consider any settlement. The judge orders an official court-approved property inspection. Legal representatives from both parties arrive at the ranch with government officials and survey experts. Inspectors discover that the mansion's entire driveway crosses Arthur's property without any easement. Montgomery Cross presents his ownership documents in court, but the legal descriptions fail to match actual boundaries established by the survey. Arthur provides decades of historical family ownership records. Every document confirms continuous legal ownership. A title company representative explains proper research would have revealed Arthur's ownership long before construction started on the luxury mansion site. Investigators discover several construction permits were approved using incorrect property information, making those errors a major turning point. Members of the HOA board begin worrying about financial losses. County land records definitively establish that Arthur has always been the lawful owner of the disputed acreage. There are no recorded transfers to the HOA, and the courtroom falls dead silent during expert testimony. Montgomery Cross realizes the case is slipping away. The judge reviews certified land surveys, county records, CAL permits before issuing the final ruling, officially recognizing Arthur's absolute ownership. Montgomery Cross sits silently as the court ruling is announced. Years of false assumptions about land ownership are overturned in a single moment. Arthur returns to his ranch and looks toward the property. Standing on his hillside ranch at sunset, Arthur reflects on the importance of protecting private property rights through patience, professionalism, and the legal process as peace finally returns to his land.